He is my brother. So I have a domino with cards, made with cards. So it's a line row of domino. Turn. These are the paper dominoes which I have made in front of you. So let's get started. 3, 2, 1. Here's the finish line. It works. It works. It's my friend helps me to do it. It's a very good thing. It's my slime. He's playing with it.
Subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to my channel and like, share and share this video. Please. Bye guys.